The Eli Lilly news is huge for a lot of people with diabetes or who have kids with diabetes. But Eli Lilly is just one company, and companies can always get bought out or change their minds. I spoke with people impacted about the lasting changes they want to see.
Having children, toddlers, not having access to insulin. That should never happen again, ever.
Dr. Irl Hirsch has spent decades treating patients and fighting for medication they could afford.
I've had patients say that they've run their credit card to the ground and now they couldn't get credit to buy a car because of how far behind they were in their payments for insulin.
He says conditions have improved in Washington state thanks to Medicaid expansion. But he says at the end of the day, your price depends on your insurance and your geography.
This time last year, I was in Seattle Children's Hospital with my only child in diabetic ketoacidosis.
Matthew Hepner is among those pushing for State Senate Bill 5729, which would permanently cap insulin costs at $35 a month for many Washington families.
This is a life-saving drug. You have to take insulin every day, every time you eat, every meal, and then again before bedtime. So, I mean, it is really just a constant battle, just trying to stay between the lines with my daughter's diabetes. And there's other families that are, in similar conditions.
I'm a bit chagrined to be back.
It's State Senator Karen Kaiser's third time pitching a permanent cap in the name of people skipping meals and rationing doses to make it through the day.
That is a road to ruin, and people were doing that over and over again because this medicine costs so much, and it's too much. People should not pay that much for this medicine that was invented over 100 years ago and only cost $5 or so to manufacture.
The bill passed the state Senate with bipartisan support and is now headed to the House. Hirsch says that he also sees hope in a not-for-profit manufacturer who's trying to produce insulin at cost. We have more on that and more context on this story at king5.com. Reporting in the newsroom, Erica Zucco, King 5 News.